So in this video, we are going to learn how to create BigCommerce customer for Calendly Invitee. Now suppose guys, you are using BigCommerce as an e-commerce platform and you are using Calendly to get the appointments and event booking from your clients and customer. Now you want that whenever an invitee is created in Calendly, whenever a user books an appointment with you in Calendly, you want to add that same invitee, that same person as a customer in BigCommerce. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, we are going to connect Calendly with BigCommerce in such a way that whenever the invitee will be created in Calendly, automatically the same person will be added as a customer in BigCommerce. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name our workflow as Calendly to BigCommerce. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we are going to connect our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new invitee, a user, a customer books an appointment with us using Calendly, the details of that booking, that event booking, that invitee will be received inside Pabbly Connect. After that, using this Pabbly Connect's automation, the user who has booked an appointment with us, we will add that same user as a customer in our BigCommerce account. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now here in Choose App, search for Calendly. Just select it. And then here in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as Invitee Created User. So if you have a user account of Calendly, you can select the trigger event as Invitee Created User. And if you have an organization account with Calendly, then here you can see Invitee Created Organization over here. So here guys, just select the trigger event, click on this Connect button, and then select the Add New Connection option over here. Now what we have to do, we have to connect our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect in this section. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Calendly button. After clicking on this, because I have already logged into my Calendly account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect this same account. Just click on this Connect to Calendly button and then we will see our Calendly account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the organization. It is most likely possible that you might be the part of multiple organizations in Calendly. So here, if you have multiple organizations in your Calendly account, in this dropdown, you will see a list of all the organizations. And the new invitee from which particular organization you want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, you have to select that organization over here. After selecting the organization, it is asking us for the user. So here I have selected my name, Demo User. After selecting the user, here is an important note. Just read it. It says, make sure you have a Calendly Pro plan in order to use this integration. So to get the response to connect Calendly with Pabbly Connect and set up this automation, it is required to have a Calendly Pro plan in your Calendly account. After selecting this, after selecting both of these details and ensuring that you have a Pro plan of Calendly, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that it has now changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the response, get the details of a new invitee from Calendly. So let's create a test invitee in our Calendly account. I'll just go to my Calendly account and I have this event named as Automation Setup. We will just copy the link and paste it in a new tab. And here you can see that the booking page of our Calendly account, this Calendly event, is open in front of us. Now using the details of a test user, a dummy user, let's book an appointment. For example, I will select the date as 6th of June over here and time as 10 AM. I will be booking an event for 6th of June at 10 AM. Let's click on next. And these are the details which I'm asking the user while making this booking, while booking an appointment with us. So let's enter the details of a dummy user. For example, the name of this person is Demo User. this is the email address of this person, and after that, this is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. At last, company. So I'll just enter a random company name as Pabbly, and then click on this schedule event button. So as we click on schedule event, here you can see that this booking is confirmed. This means just now we have received a new booking. An invitee is created in our Calendly account. And because we have connected Calendly with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger window, we will receive the response. And in this response, you will see the details of the same person. Here you can see the same email address which we have just now entered. Here you can see the same first name and last name of the person, demo user. We will scroll down. Here you can see the same mobile number and also the company name which we have just now entered while making this booking. And after that, here you can see all the other details for this. Here you can see the name of the resource, name of the event for which the user has booked the appointment with us. Here you can see the end date and time of the event, and then here you can see the start date and time of the event as well, of the appointment as well. This means that step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of new invitee in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And step 2, we want to send these same details of a new invitee from Calendly to BigCommerce so that we can add this same person as a customer over there. And for that, we will just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in choose app, we will search for BigCommerce. Just search for it and select BigCommerce over here. After selecting BigCommerce, in action event from this drop down, select the action event as create customer. Then just click on connect and select add new connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our BigCommerce account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the client ID, access token and store hash key of our BigCommerce account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get all of these details of your BigCommerce account. So here in the help text, you can see a complete step-by-step guide on how you can get the client ID, access token and how you can get the store hash key. So what you have to do, you just have to go to your BigCommerce account, log into your BigCommerce account, and after reaching here, from the left sidebar, go to settings option over here. After coming to the settings page, just scroll down and here you can see a settings option of API. Under API, there's the option of store level API account. Just click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see all those API keys which I have created in my store in my BigCommerce account. You can see a list of all the APIs over here. Just click on this create API key button and now you can start creating a new one. Just enter the name. For example, I'll name it as Pabbly. Then after that, here it is asking us auth scopes. So here in this help text, it is clearly mentioned that what are the scopes we have to select. We have to select the scope as content, customers, information and settings, marketing, orders and product. So here in our BigCommerce account, we are going to select all of these scopes as modify. Content, customer, information and settings, marketings, orders, and the last scope which we have to select is products. So I'll be selecting products over here as well. You can basically keep all the other scopes as none, but for this particular event to create a new customer, it is required to select all of these scopes. Just select modify option under all of these scopes in BigCommerce. And after that, we will just scroll down and click on this save button over here. Now when we click on save, here you can see that a file is downloaded in our system with all the credentials. And here in our screen, you can see the client ID, client secret and access token of our BigCommerce account. Just copy the client ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the access token of your BigCommerce account and paste it over here as well. At last, it is asking us for the store hash key. Now to get the store hash key, just go to your BigCommerce account and here in the URL section, after store dash and before .bcommerce, this is the store hash key of your BigCommerce account. Just copy this key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this, just click on save. Now when we click on save, we will see using these details, our BigCommerce account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the first name. Now here guys, we have to enter the first name of the person to whom we want to add as a customer. So we have received the details of the user who has booked an appointment with us in the trigger window from Calendly. So from these Calendly responses, we are going to map this response of first name over here in this first name field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Calendly. And out of all of these responses, select this response of first name and map it over here. So whatever first name the user is going to enter while booking the appointment, with the same first name, the customer will be created in our BigCommerce account. After first name, it is asking us for the last name, so we will use the same process of mapping once again. We'll just click here, and from the drop down, we will map the response of last name. Then let's map the email address over here, map the response of email, and then the company. So we have also received the company response. We have asked the user their company name. So we'll just map the response of company over here. Here it is. And at last, let's map the mobile number as well. So we'll just scroll here, and then we will select the response of mobile number. If you want, you can also add a field of note or message in this Calendly appointment booking page. And you can map that response of note over here in this notes field. Right now, I'm just keeping this field blank as it is not an important field. It is not a required field over here. And after mapping all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, using these details, a new customer is created in our BigCommerce account. So here guys, let's check our BigCommerce account. We will go to BigCommerce and we will go to this customers section. And yes, here you can see that demo user, the same person with the same name and details which we have entered while booking an appointment on our Calendly page, the same person has been added as a customer in our BigCommerce account. Here you can see the same name, the same company, same email, and also the same phone number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new invitee will be created in our Calendly account, automatically with the same details, that user will be added as a customer in BigCommerce. Now here guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. Once again, we'll just go to our Calendly booking page, and here we are going to make another booking on this page. So let me just copy this link and paste it over here once again. This time, let's select the date as 8th of June and the time as 1 p.m. Let's make another booking. The name of the person right now is test user. This is the name. This is the email address of the person. And after that, this is a dummy mobile number, a test mobile number. The company, for example, the company is Pabbly Connect. And let's click on schedule event. So as we click on schedule event, here you can see that we have just now received another event booking, another appointment on our Calendly page. And the user who has booked an appointment with us, with the same details, that user will be added as a customer in BigCommerce. So we will just go to a BigCommerce account and we will just go to this customer section once again. Just go to the customers page and then just refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see that test user, the same person whose details we have just now added on our Calendly booking page, the same person is now added as a customer in BigCommerce. And here you can see the same details. Same name, same company name, same email, and also the same phone number. This means guys, the automation workflow which we have created in this video, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever an invitee is created in our Calendly account, automatically with the same details, that person will be added as a customer in our BigCommerce account. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down to your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.